6:45, we are back in Duluth as they experience blizzard-like conditions right now. This is a live look, and John was saying the gusts up there, 60 plus miles per hour. We're going to check in with John. He has a closer look at your forecast. That's coming up in about 3 minutes. Now, KBJR reporter Sydney Whitty is joining us on the ground there with a look at conditions right now.
I'm here in Canal Park in Duluth, where that blizzard is currently happening. We have wind gusts pelleting snow towards us that feels more like ice. As you can see behind me, it's kind of making whiteout conditions here in Duluth. Very dangerous for a lot of people. We saw people getting stuck here in the roadways a bit earlier, people helping one another. It's not recommended for anyone to necessarily go out if they do not need to. Back to you.